Hello and welcome. Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this brand new Range Rover Sport, available here in a striking Santorini black metallic colour and also boasting a sliding panoramic roof as well as these gloss black alloy wheels with red brake calipers. This large premium SUV is an absolute joy to own and have, and will feature the likes of full LED pixel headlights with signature shaped daytime running lights, whilst around the side these gloss black alloy wheels will really stand out. In the rear, full LED taillights will give your Range Rover a distinctive look when travelling at night, and there are also decorative side seals and decals around the side, as well as a sliding panoramic roof. Two-tone leather upholstery featuring this cream and black effect will really brighten up the cabin, and passengers in the back can enjoy their very own climate control system as well as that sunroof, of course. The driver can further benefit from this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel operating the IDD interactive drive display, as well as benefiting from head-up display functionality. In the center, 13-inch PV Pro connected surfaces will house built-in satellite navigation as well as DAB digital radio to find your favorite stations. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use two-zone climate control system can be operated from the screen and features heated and cooling functionality as well. Bespoke drive modes are also on offer depending on what sort of conditions you're driving in, and the sub-menu in the vehicle also houses the likes of additional comforts for that heated seats. There's even a 5-stage massage functionality available with the vehicle as well, and for extra connectivity, you'll be pleased to know there's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection with a number of active safety systems as well. To help you park, 3D surround parking camera will offer reassurance and guidance when squeezing in the tightest of parking spaces. Overhead, a digital rear view camera with auto dimming functionality is available with easy controls to operate that sliding panoramic roof.